Yabo. Njengaleli kwapa lakho elalinuke playhouse uqeda kuperform uqashwe yimi nje. Hey, girl umina kabi nje. Ume kabuhlungu. Ngathi angazi uminci ugaga yini. Ay.
Ngaze ngadeleleka. But he ate. Ngangimuhle kangaka nje mina ngelove toya sisinqena neblazer. Thiwa nginuka ikhopha. He ate. Ngaze ngadelele yaze yangidelela inzalo kaMadlu futhi. But he ate. Ngadeleleka, but you ate, my boy, you ate. Ngadeleleka. Mina ngicela uzwe la sisiloti ngicela uzwe la uyalizwa nikhwapha
ngephi khona choma manje bona wamnanda nje
ngibona
ukiheme yazi
ngizwe la you ate
Hayi ngiyayeka mase kuthiwa ingwana ngiya withdraw abakwethu. I withdraw akukwazi phela. Ngilwe nengwana mina. Ngiyinkunzi malanga ngiyinsizwa yakithi ngilwe nengwana.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Fala Petri kutrega naledi aphiwe saying ukuthi bake bama invite ukuthi ato performa ku event ethide lapha eThekwini, and immediately aqedza ukuperform uthi likhwapha lebo elibhuka lapho lana lady bekufa ngisho aligundwane. So like he's just making fun of una lady, like uyambody shame saying ukuthi ume kabi, and I really don't think ukuthi that khuluma ngana lady teliqiniso man, just ukuthi nayo uyabona ukuthi bayamgadla, so ubona ukuthi inamathi ngidiphendulele ngalana akuna lady. And I think labanye abantu bakuthola easy kumdreka kuna lady because bayabona ukuthi shame umntwana lomncane, so bayamqinela njengalesinye isikhathi ngetinkulumo, and people are really defending unalidi ukuthi hayibo wena yekela manga yekela njena kusukela lomnye mntwana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.